And there we are, the control panel's back in. It's not super clean, but it's a little bit cleaner. I have to work on that. The buttons, I just need to buy new ones. I need to get a new joystick. This one's, you can probably see, it's actually bent and it just needs a new one. I don't have the coin door in there right now, but it's not a big deal because I've got it set to free play currently. So when I turn this on, it comes up and there you go. You can see it's free play. Hit it and